In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add meta tags to your Wix website pages. If you want your pages to be better understood by search engines and displayed more clearly in search results, updating your meta tags is an important step. In Wix, this process is fairly simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through how to add standard title tags and meta descriptions first, and then I will show you how to add custom or additional meta tags for more advanced needs. To begin, open your Wix editor. Once you are inside the editor, look over to the left side of the screen and click on Pages and Menu. This is where you can manage the individual pages on your website. Next, find the page you want to update. Click the More Actions icon, which appears as the three dots next to that page. From the drop-down menu, select SEO Basics. This section gives you access to the main search engine settings for that specific page. Scroll down until you see the fields for the title tag and meta description. The title tag is the main headline that search engines often show in search results, so it should clearly describe the page. The meta description gives a short summary of the content on that page, and it can help encourage people to click through to your site. Make sure both fields are accurate, relevant, and written naturally. When you are done, click Apply. And then publish your site so the changes go live. If you need to add custom or additional meta tags such as site verification tags, robots instructions, or canonical tags, you will go back to Pages and Menu and click the More Actions icon next to the page you want to edit. Again, choose SEO Basics. But this time, click on the Advanced SEO tab. Inside Advanced SEO, select Additional Tags and then click Add New Tag. You will see a field labeled HTML code. This is where you paste the meta tag code exactly as provided by the service or tool you are using. Be careful not to change the formatting of the code, since even a small mistake can cause the tag not to work properly. After pasting the code into the HTML code field, click Apply. Then publish your changes so the new tag is added to the live version of your site. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.